This next song is a very upbeat and happy song about leaving your home and never seeing it again. The ship it sails in half an hour to cross the broad Atlantic. My friends are standing on the quay with grief and sorrow frantic. I'm just about to sail away in the good ship down O'Leary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off, but I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. In my portmanteau here I have some cabbage, beans and bacon. And if you think I can't eat that, well, there's where you're mistaken. For the ship will play with pitch and toss for half a dozen farthings. I'll row me bundle on me back and I'll walk to Castle Gardens. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off and I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. No, I won't come that Yankee chat, I guess I'm calculating. Come liquor up, old sunny boy, when old friend I am treating. I'm deep in love with Molly Burke, like an ass is fond of clover. I'll send for her when I get there, that's if she will come over. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off, I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. So fare thee well, old dear and dear, to part me heart does ache well. From Carrickfergus to Cape Clear, I'll never see your equal. Although to foreign parts we're bound where cannibals may eat us, we'll ne'er forget the holy ground, the poaching and potatoes. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off and I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. When good St. Paddy banished snakes, he'd shook him from his garment. He never thought we'd go abroad to look upon such varmints, nor quit this land where whiskey grew to wear the Yankee button. Take vinegar for Mountain Dew and toads for mountain mutton. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off and I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off and I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. And it's goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchors weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off and I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. Thank you very much. It'll wake you up in the morning if nothing else will.